Hey, let's dive into the qualification criteria for the CAP program. Stick around till the end of the video to grasp all the details. According to the IRS, here are the qualifications you need to meet to be eligible for the CAP program. Asset requirement: have at least $10 million worth of assets. Legal status: be a U.S. publicly traded corporation capable of legally filing Forms 8K, 10K, and 10Q to the Securities and Exchange Commission. Litigation status: have no active litigation matters with the IRS or other state agencies that could hinder the IRS from accessing your tax documentation. Investigation status: not be under any similar investigation. Tax examination: not have more than 3 open for examination tax years on the first day of the CAP year. These years should ideally close within 12 months of the first day of the CAP year. Tax return status: if already enrolled, not have more than 1 filed and unfiled return open on the first day of the CAP year. And there you have it. With these simple guidelines, you'll know if you qualify for the CAP program. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.